Getting the Snapchat SS07 error and can't log into your account? This error usually appears when Snapchat detects unusual activity, like creating too many accounts, repeated login attempts, or suspicious behavior on your device or network. First, close the Snapchat app completely. Then open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Manage Apps, depending on your device. Now use the search bar and search for Snapchat. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app settings page. Here, tap on Storage or Clear Data near the bottom of the screen. Next, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing login or verification problems inside the app. After clearing the cache, go back to your home screen. Now open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat. If you see an Update button, tap on it immediately. Using an outdated version of Snapchat can sometimes trigger errors like SS07 or login issues. Once the update is complete, reopen Snapchat. If the problem still continues, try waiting a few hours before logging in again. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or restarting your phone before opening Snapchat again. If none of these methods work, the final step is to contact Snapchat support directly.